Hello everyone. In this video I will show you that how can you add any contact to your home screen. So let's start. Open shortcuts. Now click on this add icon. Here click on add action and search for call. Now here is calls, select it. Now you have to choose a contact by clicking here. After selecting the contact, you can rename it by clicking on the top of the shortcut. And there is option of rename. Click on rename. Now you can rename it to the contact. After that, click on done and then again click on done on the top right corner. Now your shortcut is created. All you have to do is just tap and hold on this shortcut and you will get option of share. Click on it. Now if you scroll down, then you will get option of add to home screen. Tap on it and now click on add. Now this shortcut is added to your home screen. If you go to your home screen, you can see there is shortcut added by this name. If I tap on this shortcut, then it will automatically call to this user. So you can see, and this is how you can add any contact to home screen on your iPhone. Thank you everyone.